Alright y'all, so if you watched my last video, I unboxed this Harbor Freight. It's a, gotta get the directions out again. It's a Bauer 4-inch by 36-inch belt sander with a 6-inch disc sander. Belt disc. Disc belt. So, basically what I want to do is there's a key right here, this Allen wrench. I'm going to zoom you guys in. Okay. So this arm, sorry, I should be more prepared, CC Scraps. This arm, right here, there's a little nut right here that makes this arm go up and down. So, I want to take my, well, let's zoom you back. Oopsie. Boy, we're going to have to say something to that cameraman. So, basically I want to take, I'm going to cut this this Allen key here, and maybe about here, and I'm going to weld each side down so I have a better grip on to turn that thing, because it's just awkward for me. I don't know why, I'm awkward. So it's cold. It's gotta be, I don't know, it was like 38, and that's kind of warm. It kind of is for this time of year. It's March though, like, but the temperature dropped now. It feels like it's like 15, because maybe not. Oh, okay. I don't know. I was seeing my breath a little while ago. You know, that's nature's bong hit, y'all. You see your big breath. Poof. So anyway, we're going to get some welding done. We're going to pull the MIG welder out and have a little fun. So sit tight and we can get set up for it. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all. We're going to put this baby to the first test of the project. So let's see what we got going here. I'm going to start by cleaning these up a little bit. That's pretty. I want to clean it up a little bit more because I'm going to be welding on it. Same with this one. I want to get down to bare metal. Just sit tight. Alright, so we got out the angle grinder. I'm just going to take a little bit off of this just to give me a little, leeway. When we get this thing going here. Clean that up with the file. Alright, game time. Alright, y'all, I don't know if you can see me. I'm kind of close up, but I'm going to MIG weld this piece onto here. And that way it'll give me like a key. So we'll see how it goes. I haven't played the MIG welder in a long time. So, yeah. Hee hee. Make sure you always got a fire extinguisher handy, which I do. Right down there. I don't know if you can see it. You can't, but it's within reach. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure your metal surfaces are pretty clean. So, and you get your, I always like to start with a clean tip of the wire, so give it a little feed. This is 030 flux cord wire. I don't need gas. I got minimum and max on this little Harbor Freight welder. Looks kind of thick, so I'm going to go with a little higher wire speed and on max. So I think that's how I'm supposed to do it. So let's roll. Ooh. Oh, yeah. One problem, or one mistake I made. Got to ground the workpiece. All right, now we're ready to roll. Yeah, I got a shaky start there, y'all. But, it's on there. I want to hit the duty cycle of this freaking welder, but here we go again. I do not believe that's going anywhere, folks. Let it cool down. I burned that hot and heavy in there. Probably should have slowed down a little bit, but I don't know. We'll see how it works. Hit that other side real quick. That's good. All right. By no means, let's put it out there right now, am I a welder at all. Those are some of the crappiest welds I've seen in a minute. Cut off the welder. Okay. We'll get this, whoa, don't fall, MIG gun. Then we'll get this cleaned up. Alright, so this here, we're going to just clean it up a little with the flap disc. Or we could just bring it over to my new sander. Let's do that. We'll put this, keep putting this new sander to work. I forgot I had it, y'all. Right on this. Oh, that's crazy how well that works. It really is. Cool. Once I get a more permanent thing for it, I'll bolt it down good, but that's, you know, it doesn't got to be perfect. Here, let's do this for you guys. The welds are crap, but I mean, this is going to serve the purpose I need it to serve. Yeah, look at that. Boom. I do have a little bit of a problem here. I'm just going to cut a little bit of these ends off. But other than that, we got a winner. We're all good. Do some final sanding and filing under here, but don't judge me on my welds, but I hope y'all enjoyed that. A little DIY Allen key hook. And if someone breaks into the shop, I can give them a little jab with it too. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. Win-win. All right, hope you liked it. Again, don't judge my welds. See you on the next one. CC Scraps, y'all. Peace. Have a great weekend.